My name's Jose. I'm going to teach you guys how to front shove. Nice. Pop.
Down to him.
For front shove, you're going to have to put your back foot right here. Like I put it halfway on the tail. And I put my front foot right behind the bolts right here. Common problem for this trick is that people usually try to thread behind them. It's hard for them to land it. What I try to do is just keep it right below me. All I do is pop and kick it straight forward. And as it's coming over, try to catch it with your front foot. And then once you see the grip, just try to put both of your feet down on it. He loves me. Oh,